Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive into a comprehensive tutorial on DDoS mitigation best practices on AWS, complete with explanations and code examples. This will cover various AWS services and strategies to build a robust defense against different types of DDoS attacks. Understanding DDoS and AWS's role. What is a DDoS attack? A distributed denial of service, DDoS, attack floods a target system, website, application, server, with malicious traffic, making it unavailable to legitimate users. This is often achieved by using a network of compromised computers, a botnet, to send a massive volume of requests. DDoS attack types. Volume-based attacks. Overwhelm network bandwidth, example UDP floods, icmp floods. Protocol attacks. Exploit weaknesses in network protocols, example SYN floods. Application layer attacks. Target specific application vulnerabilities, example HTTP floods, slowloris. AWS's shared responsibility model. AWS is responsible for the security of the cloud, infrastructure, physical security. You are responsible for security in the cloud, your data, applications, OS, configurations. DDoS mitigation is a shared responsibility. AWS provides tools, but you must configure and manage them effectively. 2. AWS services for DDoS mitigation. AWS offers a suite of services that can be used in combination to build a multi-layered DDoS defense. Here's a breakdown. AWS Shield Managed DDoS Protection Service. It provides always-on detection and automatic inline mitigations to minimize application downtime and latency. 2 tiers. Standard. Free protection against common, frequently occurring infrastructure layer attacks, example SYN/UDP floods. Applied automatically to all AWS customers. Advanced. Paid service, provides more sophisticated detection and mitigation capabilities. Includes access to the AWS Shield Response Team, SRT, for 24/7 support during DDoS events. It also provides cost protection against usage spikes during an attack. Amazon CloudFront *. Content Delivery Network, CDN caches content closer to users, reducing the load on your origin servers. DDoS mitigation. CloudFront's globally distributed infrastructure can absorb a large volume of traffic, preventing it from reaching your application origin. AWS Shield integration. Shield standard is automatically enabled when you use CloudFront. Shield Advanced enhances this protection. AWS WAF, Web Application Firewall. Protects against application layer attacks, example SQL injection, cross-site scripting, HTTP floods. Customizable rules. You can define rules based on IP addresses, HTTP headers, HTTP body, URIs, SQL injection, and cross-site scripting patterns. AWS Managed Rules. AWS provides pre-configured rule sets for common attacks, example OWASP Top 10. Integration. AWS WAF can be deployed on CloudFront, Application Load Balancers, ALB, API Gateway, and AppSync. Route 53. Scalable DNS service. Distributes traffic across multiple resources. DNS failover. Can automatically switch traffic to healthy endpoints if an endpoint becomes unavailable due to an attack. Latency-based routing route requests to the AWS region that can best serve the traffic. Amazon VPC, Virtual Private Cloud. Network isolation allows you to isolate your resources within a private network. Network ACLS and security groups provide fine-grained control over network traffic. Auto scaling automatically adjusts the number of instances based on demand. Scalability helps to absorb increased traffic during an attack by scaling out your infrastructure. Elastic load balancing, ELB. Distributes traffic across multiple instances. Load balancing supports application load balancer, ALB, network load balancer, NLB, and classic load balancer. ALB is recommended for web applications and can integrate with WAF. NLB is suitable for high-performance, low-latency applications. AWS Lambda and API Gateway serverless compute handles requests without managing servers. Scalability automatically scales to handle large amounts of traffic. Rate limiting, API gateway can be used to limit the number of requests per second from a specific IP address. 3. Best practices and implementation steps. Here's a step-by-step guide to implementing a DDoS mitigation strategy on AWS. 1. Assess your attack surface ***. Identify your critical resources, websites, applications, APIs. Understand your typical traffic patterns. Determine your acceptable downtime. Estimate the cost of a successful DDoS attack, revenue loss, reputation damage. 2. Enable AWS Shield Standard ***. This is enabled by default for all AWS customers and provides basic protection against infrastructure layer attacks. 3. Deploy a CDN, Amazon CloudFront. Configuration replace placeholders, your origindomain.com, unique _reference _string, with your actual values. Adjust caching behavior based on your content. Configure origin settings properly. Enable HTTPS. Consider using CloudFront functions or Lambda at Edge for more advanced customization. 4. Implement AWS WAF ***. Create a web ACL, Web Access Control List. Add rules to your web ACL ***. Rate limiting ***. Limit the number of requests from a single IP address. IP blocking ***. Block traffic from known malicious IP addresses or CIDR ranges. AWS Managed Rules Enable AWS Managed Rules for common attacks, example OWASP Top 10. Use the following code as a template to add a managed rule group. Replace AWS Managed Rules common rule set with the appropriate managed rule group name you want to add, example AWS Managed Rules SQL rule set. See the WAF console or documentation for valid names. Associate the web ACL with your CloudFront distribution. This is done in the CloudFront distribution settings, under the General tab. The setting is called AWS WAF Web ACL, optional. 5. Configure Route 53 for DNS failover ***. Create health checks for your endpoints. Configure failover routing to redirect traffic to a backup endpoint if the primary endpoint becomes unhealthy. 6. Implement auto-scaling Set up auto-scaling groups for your EC2 instances or other compute resources. Define scaling policies based on CPU utilization, network traffic, or other metrics. 7. Enable logging and monitoring ***. Enable AWS WAF logging to analyze traffic patterns and identify potential attacks. Monitor CloudFront metrics, example request counts, error rates. Use Amazon CloudWatch to set up alarms for abnormal traffic patterns. Enable VPC flow logs to capture information about network traffic flowing to and from your VPC. 8. Consider AWS Shield Advanced ***. If you require more sophisticated protection, consider subscribing to AWS Shield Advanced. It provides enhanced detection, mitigation, and 24x7 access to the AWS Shield Response Team, SRT. 9. Regularly test and update your security posture ***. Simulate DDoS attacks to test your mitigation strategy. Update your WAF rules and other security configurations as needed. Stay informed about new attack vectors and vulnerabilities. 4. Code snippets explanation. The code snippets above use the Boto3 library, the AWS SDK for Python. Make sure you have it installed. Pip install Boto3. You'll need to configure your AWS credentials properly. The easiest way is to configure the AWS CLI, AWS configure, with an IAM user that has the necessary permissions, example WAV2 create WebACL, WAV2 update WebACL, CloudFront create distribution, etc. The example code creates CloudFront distributions and WAF rules. Adjust the parameters, domain names, IP addresses, rate limits, etc., to match your specific requirements. Remember to replace placeholder ARNs, Amazon resource names, with your actual resource ARNs. You can find these in the AWS Management Console. Error handling is included to catch potential exceptions during API calls. The lock token returned by WAF is important. Every time you update a WebACL, you must use the most recent lock token. Detailed configuration considerations. WAF rule order. WAF rules are evaluated in order of priority. Place your more specific rules, example blocking known bad IPs, higher in the priority list than more general rules, example rate limiting. WAF rule actions. You can choose from allow, block, and count. Use count mode initially to monitor the impact of a rule before enabling block mode. CloudFront caching. Configure your CloudFront cache behavior to maximize caching efficiency. This will reduce the load on your origin servers and improve performance for legitimate users. Geo restrictions. Use CloudFront's geo restrictions feature to block traffic from countries where you don't expect legitimate users to be located. Logging granularity. Enable detailed logging in both WAF and CloudFront, but be mindful of the storage costs associated with large log volumes. Using Lambda at Edge for WAF customizations. You can further enhance WAF's capabilities by using Lambda at Edge functions, which enable you to inspect and modify requests at CloudFront Edge locations. This can allow for more sophisticated custom rule logic and request manipulation. For example, you can normalize URL paths, validate request bodies, or perform CAPTCHA challenges. 6. Testing and monitoring. Simulate attacks. Use tools like Hoping3, Preplay, or commercial DDoS testing services to simulate attacks and validate your mitigation strategy. Monitor CloudWatch metrics. Pay close attention to CloudWatch metrics for your CloudFront distributions, WAF WebACLs, and other AWS resources. Set up alarms to notify you of abnormal traffic patterns. Specifically, monitor these metrics. Estimated returned error rate, CloudFront. Asterisk blocked count, WAF. Asterisk counted count, WAF. Asterisk request count, WAF. Asterisk analyze WAF logs. Asterisk regularly review your WAF logs to identify potential threats and fine-tune your rules. 7. Cost optimization. Asterisk optimize CloudFront caching. Asterisk effective caching reduces the load on your origin servers and lowers bandwidth costs. Asterisk use AWS managed rules. Asterisk AWS managed rules can be more cost effective than creating your own custom rules, especially for common attacks. Asterisk right size your resources. Asterisk monitor your resource utilization and adjust the size of your EC2 instances and other resources to match your actual needs. Asterisk evaluate AWS Shield Advanced. Asterisk if you have significant DDoS protection requirements, AWS Shield Advanced can provide cost protection against usage spikes during an attack. 8. Important security considerations. Asterisk principle of least privilege. Asterisk grant only the minimum necessary permissions to your IAM users and roles. Asterisk regular security audits. Asterisk conduct regular security audits to identify vulnerabilities and improve your overall security posture. Asterisk keep software up to date. Asterisk keep your operating systems, applications, and libraries up to date with the latest security patches. Asterisk incident response plan. Asterisk develop and maintain a detailed incident response plan to guide your actions in the event of a DDoS attack. Asterisk enable MFA. Asterisk multi-factor authentication, MFA, should be enabled on all AWS accounts, especially for accounts with administrative privileges. 9. Continuous improvement. DDoS mitigation is an ongoing process. As attack techniques evolve, you need to continuously monitor, test, and update your security posture. By following these best practices and leveraging the power of AWS services, you can build a robust defense against DDoS attacks and protect your critical resources. This comprehensive guide gives you a solid foundation for DDoS mitigation on AWS. Remember to tailor your strategy to your specific application requirements and threat landscape. Good luck.